Good morning, and welcome to another episode of Rockstar UK. Today, working on the Fiesta again. It's a really cold morning, and we're going to put the new exhaust tip on. It's basically a replacement back box. Now, my Fiesta, the later Mk6 Fiesta, they actually put like a straight through pipe through the middle section without putting a back box on. Sorry, like a middle box on. So we're going to go and put a new back box on to hopefully make it just sound a bit nicer, but also I like the little exhaust showing at the back, whereas on the diesel it doesn't. It's just got like a little droopy one that sits behind the bumper. So we're going to put a nice one on. Let's get to it. Right, so first of all, a little sound bite. Pretty lame. Now, looking under the car, you've basically got just on this side, you can just about see it through there. Hang on, let me get. So it's just around on this side. You've got two bolts, which is like a U-bolt to undo. There's this mount here, and there's another rubber one just over this side. Now, I've lubed them up with WD-40, so as you can see, the exhaust goes around there, and it's basically just a straight pipe. So we're gonna get rid of this with its little droopy droop and get the new one on. Right, so I just put the new back box on. Literally, it slips on the join. There's two hangers, one at the front, one at the back. Slip it on, put a new exhaust clamp on. So I got a couple because I wasn't sure what size it was, but it's not the 57. You want a 54mm clamp if you have to change your one, but usual Halford stuff. It's like literally like 2-3 quid or whatever for a clamp, so it's well worth changing because they do go rusty in that. So you want the 54mm clamp. When you put the joint together, it's always worth just using a little bit of this stuff. This is about 4 quid from Halfords, and it's reusable because you can just literally peel the little tab off, put a bit of that on, slip the joints together, smooth it over, and she's on. Let me see if I can get under it to show you. So as you can see, it literally goes back there. You see where the I don't know if you can see the exhaust clamp. Only just, you can just about see the exhaust clamp. Yeah, follows along, sits up to the bumper snug, and let's give you a little sound test. So, nothing too drastic. It just gives it a nice little burble. Slightly deeper tone, but it doesn't actually affect it in the car, which is what I wanted. I wanted something that was still usable. Whereas, if you guys remember my Focus ST, it did give you a headache after a while. So, with the suspension, the exhaust, I don't know what's next. If you got any ideas, drop them in the comments. I'd like to see what you'd like me to do to the Fiesta. But my plan is to build another ruckus. So if you like that video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see all you dudes in the next video.